That's why I said, this is something you have to put it out into the world. More people need to know about this. Rishi,
Yeah.
you have this thing called LinkedIn Outreach Program.
Which you are using.
I am using it, and I know so many other people are using it. People from Abundance Connect, and I'm sure many more others also, right? I have found it absolutely brilliant. I will share my piece about it, but I want you to talk about it.
LinkedIn, when I first started to reach out to people, the good thing about it is the filters. I can reach out to people based on their title, based on their industry, based on where they are located. Maybe in a city or a country. So that is the beauty of LinkedIn. You can go straight and find exactly who you want to connect. Now, the problem is in LinkedIn, only about 20% of people are active, while 80% of LinkedIn are not active. They have account बनाने के बाद वो लोग check ही नहीं कर रहा है. So even if I send them an invitation to connect, they are not checking their email only. They are not checking कोई invitation आया है उसको जाके go to LinkedIn and then accept the request. So if you reach out to them one at a time, manually, it takes a lot of effort. मतलब just imagine 20% की बात है, I have to connect to 100 people and hopefully 20 people will accept.
And I'm going to speak about that because that was my experience. No, you continue, then I will share my experience.
So this software that we landed in, I think came to us in 2017. It would do it automatically. Very slowly. Like after 1 minute it will send another one. After 5 minutes it will send another invite. Let me check that. I decide the filters. I decide the message. It would personalize it and send it to them. And the moment they would accept the connection, they, oh, thank you so much for accepting it. So then you can say, oh, likewise, same, whatever. Kuch button dabata hoga. So these ready-made answers. So at least we get to know, if I had to send 100 invitations, 20 people would accept. If it's automatic and I'm not doing it, अच्छी बात है ना, मैं मेहनत नहीं कर रहा हूँ, software is doing it automatically. And every time somebody accepts my connection, now their first level network becomes my second level network.
Correct.
So I can say now go again and see more people. And my list of potential candidates increase every time somebody accepts my connection. So LinkedIn itself as a platform is brilliant, and the software just, it does an amazing magic. Exactly.
So what are the potential challenges you see in people adopting this tool, this automation?
Now the problem is that LinkedIn searches in the free account is limited. After some time they don't know, you can't search it. Wait for one week and so wo problem ho jata hai. So then people have to upgrade to LinkedIn Business Premium or Sales Navigator, which is 25,000, 50,000, 75,000, depending on what premium you take, saal ka. And a lot of clients were not able to make that commitment. So I think there are places now where many people offer discounts. There are dealers that get discounts. So fortunately that has again allowed people to go for the solution that I've talked about, automation.
Let me share my experience. So, and I'll start with how I reached out to you. So, like I shared before with you, one day I just woke up and looked back at my life, 3 years, 4 years, what it had been like. And I said I had to change this. And the best way to get something for yourself is go out and help others get that. So with that intent, I said, I will announce a workshop, which will be an in-person event for people to work with emotions and deal with them and overcome them. Phir to thok diya. Okay, but how do I fill the seats in the room? So I reached out to you, Rishi, how do I do that? And I didn't just reach out to you blindly. I first started doing a lot of things on my own. I sent out mass mail campaigns. But then I found over the years, the email open rates have declined drastically. Nobody reads emails. Nobody opens emails. They will still keep you in their, inbox, but they just won't open your emails. No matter how much they like you, no matter how much they trust you, emails is dead. Practically dead. Unless it is for really formal, transaction records. Then I went to LinkedIn. I said I will reach out to people one-on-one. And I started messaging. It's very painstaking. Very painstaking. And then, like you said, right, after a certain point of time, it says, no, can't do anything more, stop. And in that desperation, I reached out to you, not knowing you had LinkedIn outreach program. And then you shared all the capabilities of the tool. I said, yahi to main dhan raha tha. All the messaging I was doing one-on-one, this tool helps automate that. And whoever is active on LinkedIn does read their messages. So then the opening rates are guaranteed. So that's the beauty of this tool that I experience. And that's why I said, this is something you have to put it out into the world. More people need to know about it.